Actually, wala. Wala pa rin kaming naririnig. When I raised that, it was the alarm bell sounding again pa na parang yung narinig ko kasi ni-raise ni Kong Cheljokno about the incident that happened to Madriaga. At gusto kong i-clarify if there really was indeed a visit and siyempre magtatanong tayo sa intent of the visit kasi ang punto ko lang po ganito. Yung husband ko along with 9 others died in the hands of this person they visited in jail na hindi tinulungan ng ibang politiko. Ang point ko lang po kasi, if someone who can afford to murder will get the backing of someone who is occupying a high position in government, ay mas lalala ang magiging problema pag ito nakawala. Yan yung, kasi hindi rin kami naniniwala na si Arnie lang yan. Grupo po yan sila. He may be in jail, but that doesn't prevent us from getting harmed. Because grupo po yan sila. Hindi naman ma-carry out ng isang tao lang yan yung mga salukuhan na ganyan. Kaya I have to raise that.
Pero ma'am, did you coordinate or did you ask directly the Office of the Vice President para po ma-explain ng maayos kung totoo ba yan? Bakit kayo bumisita?
Actually, it was for a while been an issue na parang there was, I cannot recall exactly the date but there was a video clip na I think tinanong siya, is it true na you went to visit Arnie Teves in jail and Madriaga? Pero ang sagot lang niya, basta ako, ang alam ko, hindi ko kilala si Madriaga. There was no mention at all of whether or not there was indeed a visit. But ma'am, nung pumutok ang balitang yan, back, I think that was last year, may nagsabi talaga na reliable sa akin. Pero ang pagkakasabi pa nga, it was a bit late already in the evening, kasama yata si Topacio na pumunta doon. Pero wala lang rin akong kasi alam ko naman Topacio is Arnie's lawyer. Topacio is also spokesperson of the PBB. Pero yun yung alarm bell nagsasound yun when Cheljokno was also talking about the harm that was, according to him, sinabi ni Madriaga na baka yun ang gagamitin against him. Kaya I have to ask that question. Ano po yan? Mahirap ipaintindihan sa mga hindi namatayan.
Yeah.
Kaya if you are just a person from the outside looking in, you cannot understand why this is something very important to us.